Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afra. Welcome to Urdu Top Words. Today's lesson is Top 25 Phrases in Urdu. So let's get started. Hello. 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 Aap kaise hain? Hi. How are you? So hi and hello is basically the same thing in Urdu, and we translate it as hello. It's a very casual word, and you can use it with your friends, family, with anyone, I guess. Subah bakhair. Good morning. Subah bakhair. Good morning. Subah bakhair, aapka din acha guzrega. Good morning. Have a nice day. Dopahar bakhair. Good afternoon. Dopahar bakhair. Good afternoon. Dopahar bakhair. Dopahar ka khana kha liya. Good afternoon. Have you done lunch? I think this word is not very commonly used in Pakistan. Instead, I would recommend to use Assalamu alaikum or hello whenever you meet some person. You don't have to keep track of time as in like good morning, good afternoon, or good night. It's not very common. Shabba bakhair. Good night. Shabba bakhair. Good night. Shabba bakhair. Kal milenge. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. This word is not very commonly used again, but maybe typical Urdu-speaking families might be using it. You can use it with your friends, family, and also you can use it formally. Anyway, it's a good word to remember. Aapka naam kya hai? What's your name? Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? You can use this sentence with anyone. Any new person you meet, just ask the question, what's your name? Aapka naam kya hai? Main Afra hoon. I am Afra. Main Afra hoon. I am Afra. So, if you observe in this sentence, after main, you have to use your name and then hoon. In any kind of place, you can just use it to tell other people your name. I am Afra. Main Afra hoon. Try it with your name. Aapse milkar khushi hui. Nice to meet you. Aapse milkar khushi hui. Nice to meet you. Probably you'll be using it a lot in your formal meetings with new people. Aap kaise hain? How are you? Aap kaisi hain? How are you? Aap kaise hain? How are you? Aap kaisi hain? How are you? So if you have observed, I've used kaisi and kaise. Kaisi is used for female and kaise is used for male. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया, और आप? I'm fine, thanks, and you? मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया, और आप? I'm fine, thanks, and you? So you can use this sentence to ask the other person when you reply that you are okay. बराहे मेहरबानी, please. बराहे मेहरबानी, please. बराहे मेहरबानी मेरी मदद कीजिए. Please help me. Anywhere you want to use please, just add the word barahe meherbani. For example, please do this for me. Barahe meherbani, mere liye ye kaam kijiye. Aapka shukriya. Thank you. Aapka shukriya. Thank you. Meri madad karne ke liye aapka shukriya. Thank you for helping me. It can be used formal, and it can also be used in an informal setting. That's pretty much it. Khushamdeed. You're welcome. Khushamdeed. You're welcome. I would say that this word is used a lot, but not in the context of saying you're welcome when somebody says thank you to you. This word is more used in the context of welcoming someone in your house or welcoming a customer in the restaurant. Ji haan. Yes. Ji haan. Yes. Ustad. आपने अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लिया है? Teacher, have you finished your work? शागिर्द, जी हाँ. Student, yes. Basically, when you need to give your consent to someone, when you just need to nod, when you just need to say yes. So you can use this word, ji haan. If you're in an informal setting, like with your friends or family, sometimes you can just say, हाँ, जी नहीं, no, जी नहीं, no. आपने इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर ली है? Have you finished your preparation for exam? जी नहीं, no. If you're in an informal setting, I would recommend using just नहीं. ठीक है, okay, ठीक है, okay. ये आपके साथ ठीक है? Is it okay with you? This word is very commonly used in Pakistan. Mostly people use it at the end of almost all the sentences just to give their consent that they are okay with it. So, ठीक है, ठीक है, okay, ठीक है. माफ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. माफ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. माफ कीजिएगा, ये मेरी सीट है. Excuse me, this is my seat. This word is very polite and mostly used in a formal situation, or I would say like people you don't know with, you can use it, but definitely not with friends and family. क्या वक्त हुआ है? What time is it? क्या वक्त हुआ है? What time is it? You can use this sentence to ask time. Any part of the day is okay. बैतुल खला कहाँ है? Where is the restroom? बैतुल खला कहाँ है? Where is the toilet? बैतुल खला, toilet. In Pakistan, many people can speak English, so English has become a part of Urdu to some extent. So we use the word bathroom commonly instead of बैतुल खला. So if you go to a person and just say, bathroom kahan hai, it would be okay. Where is the toilet? Where is the bathroom? Instead of using the word बैतुल खला. कुछ देर इंतजार करें. Wait a moment. कुछ देर इंतजार करें. Wait a moment. It's a very formal sentence and I think it's a good one to remember. इसकी कीमत कितनी है? How much is this? इसकी कीमत कितनी है? How much is this? This kind of sentence can be used in any market and at any time and by anyone, male or female. बराहे मेहरबानी मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Could I get the check please? बराहे मेहरबानी मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Could I get the check please? There's more than one way of saying it. Instead of the word check, you can also use the word bill. Bill is the same as in English bill, like the billing. So I would recommend using that word more often. It's more understandable and more commonly used. Madad, help. Madad, help. मैं तूफान में फंस गया हूँ, मेरी मदद करें. I'm stuck in a storm, help me. Just saying the word madad doesn't make any sense, like help. Maybe it makes sense in English, but not in Urdu. So when you say in Urdu, you might need to add something to the word madad. For example, मेरी मदद करें, please help me. बराहे मेहरबानी मदद करें, please help. बाद में मिलते हैं, see you later. बाद में मिलते हैं, see you later. अभी मैं मसरूफ हूँ, बाद में मिलते हैं. I'm busy at the moment, see you later. This phrase is very commonly used among friends. मुझे मालूम नहीं, I don't know. मुझे मालूम नहीं, I don't know. You can use this phrase for anything, for any kind of information that you don't know. You can just say, मुझे मालूम नहीं, I don't know. Not just for information, but information related to a person. For example, where is Ali? Ali कहाँ है? मुझे मालूम नहीं, I don't know. खुदा हाफिज, goodbye. खुदा हाफिज, goodbye. जाने का वक्त है, खुदा हाफिज. It's time to go, goodbye. This is the end of the lesson. If you like our video, please remember to give us a thumbs up. Please comment below and don't forget to check our website, urdupod101.com. Allah Hafiz. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afra and welcome to our series Top Words. Today we are going to do top 25 Urdu verbs. Let's get started. होना, to be. So the first word is होना, to be. आपको वहाँ होना चाहिए. You should be there. This word is used almost in every conversation we have. So it's a very good word to remember. And hopefully when you are going to learn other word patterns, you will get the hang of it, how to use this word. पसंद करना, to like. पसंद करना, to like. मैं उसे पसंद करता हूँ. I like her. It doesn't have to be just one person. You can use it for clothes, for food, for anything. I'll give you another example. I like red color. मुझे लाल रंग पसंद है. करना, to do. करना, to do. क्या आप ये काम कर सकते हैं? Can you do this? The word karna literally means to do, and we use it with a lot of other words. So keep an eye for that one. कहना, to say. कहना, to say. अपने मुल्क के बारे में कुछ कहना. Say something about your country. The word literally explains itself, कहना. So if you have to say anything, you just want to use the word, I want to say this. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ. वजाहत करना, to explain. So the next verb we have is वजाहत करना, to explain. अपनी तहकीक की वजाहत करें. Explain your research. This is quite a heavy word and you don't hear it a lot in our everyday conversation, but it is a good word to know if you want to explain something to others. Sunna, to hear. Sunna, a very common verb that we use in our everyday conversation, and the English translation would be to hear or to listen. For example, चिड़िया की आवाज़ सुने. Hear the sound of a sparrow. I'm going to give you another very casual example that would be मैं गाना सुनती हूँ. I listen to music. So that's pretty much it. Jana, to go. So the next one is one of the most easiest verbs and the most common verbs you will be using if you're speaking Urdu in Pakistan, and that would be jana, to go. For example, सामने की नशिस्त पर जाएं. Go to the front seat. If you want to go to a restaurant or to anywhere, just say to the auto driver or the taxi driver, मुझे वहाँ जाना है. I want to go there. So you just put the name of the location instead of वहाँ. मुझे मीनार पाकिस्तान जाना है. I want to go to मीनार Pakistan. Probably you'll be using it a lot if you're a tourist. जानना, to know. जानना, to know. मुझे आपके बारे में जानकर खुशी हुई. I'm happy to know about you. If you really like someone in Pakistan and you would like to know them better, all you have to say is, मैं आपको जानना चाहता हूँ. I would like to know you better. लेना, to take. लेना, to take. खाना ले लो, take the food. As the young generation speaks kind of slang Urdu, so we tend to use this word instead of the word खरीदना, which means to buy. For example, मुझे बाजार से कपड़े लेना है. I want to buy clothes from the market. I know, even though the word means to take, but you can use it both ways. You will hear it in almost all the conversations if you're having with your friend. So if you ask her, what do you want? तुम्हें क्या लेना है? For example, मुझे बाजार से जूता लेना है. I want to buy a pair of shoes from the market. So I can also use the word kharidna in the same sentence, but because people tend to use easy English, so they'll just use the word lena. देखना, to see. देखना, to see. मैंने आज एक फिल्म देखी. I saw a movie today. आना, to come. आना, to come. वो नहीं आएगा. He will not come. Yes, this is an everyday word that we use to indicate about our schedule. So I think it is a good word to know. People also use it together with jana. So if you remember previously, I told you jana means to go and ana means to come. सोचना, to think. सोचना, to think. मैं पार्टी में जाने का सोच रहा हूँ. I'm thinking of going to the party. So it's a pretty easy word, and if you don't have any confirm plans or you're not sure about your choice of food or clothes or people, you can just use the word sochna. मैं सोच रहा हूँ. Yes, I'm thinking about it, you know. Chahna, to want. Chahna, to want. आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? This word again can be used for anything in terms of food, clothing, fashion, movie, or whatever you're looking for. So I'll give you another example. मुझे ये कपड़े चाहिए. I want that dress. देना, to give. देना, to give. मुझे पानी देना. Give me water. It is a very common word and you can observe it especially in the conversation of older siblings when they're talking to their younger ones and they are bossing them around. So there's just like, give me water. मुझे पानी दो. Give me the TV remote control. मुझे remote control दो. It's a good word to know. इस्तेमाल करना, to use. इस्तेमाल करना, to use. ये कलम इस्तेमाल करें. Use this pen. This is a pretty important verb to know. If you want to use some facilities in a restaurant or you want to just use the bathroom in a shopping mall, so you can just use this word इस्तेमाल करना. For example, can I use this toilet? क्या मैं ये bathroom इस्तेमाल कर सकती हूँ? As Pakistan is quite different from your country, so we don't have very good public toilets and you might be using this word to use the toilet in a lot of clothing shops because they have better toilets. Talash karna, to find. Talash karna, to find. As I explained previously that we tend to use the verb karna in conjunction with many other verbs. I'll give you a sentence. Sui talash karna mushkil hai. It's hard to find the needle. Karna gives or implies the meaning of to do. Bahir jana, to go out. Bahir jana, to go out. Bahir mat jaएं, don't go out. Puchna, to ask. Puchna, to ask. Usse pata पूछें. Ask him for the address. It's a good word to know if you're a tourist in Pakistan because you'll be asking for the locations a lot, and people are quite kind to let you know the exact location of the place. But apart from that, you also use this word a lot in our daily conversation because Pakistani people have a kind of joint family system and you tend to ask many things from your parents. So it's a good word to know anyway. Kaam karna, to work. Kaam karna, to work. Aap kaam karte hain. Do you work? So guys, this verb has, I think, two meanings and you can use it either way. Kaam literally translates as work, and this work could be your job, but it can also be any other task. For example, मुझे आज घर का काम है. I have house chores to do today. दाखिल होना, to enter. दाखिल होना, to enter. कमरे में दाखिल हो जाएं. Enter the room. महसूस करना, to feel. महसूस करना, to feel. मैं थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I'm feeling tired. Sometimes you don't have to use the verb महसूस करना in a normal conversation. You can just put the feeling itself. For example, मैं खुश हूँ. I'm happy. I didn't say I feel happy. So there is no need to use the word feel in this very sentence. And it goes the same for all the emotions. That you just put the emotion itself, but you don't have to use the word feel or महसूस when you're making a sentence. कोशिश करना, to try. कोशिश करना, to try. उसे ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करें. Try to finish it. छोड़ना, to leave. छोड़ना, to leave. तंबाकू नोशी छोड़ना मुश्किल नहीं है. It's not hard to quit smoking. So this word is very common and you can use the word chorna with almost anything. For example, even with food, with your fashion sense, with movies. So it's a very, very commonly used word. bulana, to call. Bulana, to call. Use yahan bulao, call him here. I would like to point it out that this word bulana, as I translate it, to call, does not mean to call someone through a telephone or a smartphone. It just means calling a person in person to your office or to your place. If I have to say that I'm going to call him, I will translate it as मैं उसे call करूँगा. I would not say मैं उसे बुलाऊँगा, because bulana means to verbally in person ask someone to come. दौड़ना, to run. दौड़ना, to run. मैं तेज दौड़ता हूँ. I run fast. I hope you liked our video. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below, and please make sure to check our website www.urdupod101.com. Allah Hafiz. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afra and welcome to our series Urdu Top Words. So our today's lesson is Top 15 Favorite Words Chosen by Fans. So let's get started. Aapka bahut shukriya. Thank you very much. So the first word is Aapka bahut shukriya. Thank you very much. I think every language has a word for saying thank you, and it's a good word to know. This word can also be used in formal situations, but also in informal situations. When you're saying it like Aapka bahut shukriya, it sounds really sincere, you know, like thank you very much. And when you are with your friends, you don't have to say it Aapka bahut shukriya. You can just say shukriya, thank you. Mahina, month. So the next word is mahina, month. Aap is mahine kya kar rahe hain? What are you doing this month? It's a very good word to know and quite easy to use in any kind of conversation. For example, ye kaun sa mahina hai? Which month is this? Acha, achi, good. So the next word is acha or achi, which translates as good. If you have been following our other lessons, we had a whole other series explaining the nouns in Urdu. But you should know that the nouns in Urdu are both masculine and feminine. So this is one of the examples of that noun. In English, we have good, and we use it for a guy and for a girl, or we can use it for masculine and feminine. But in Urdu, if it is masculine, you would say acha. But if the noun is a feminine, you will say achi. I'll explain it a bit more with an example. Aaj mausam acha hai. Today the weather is good. So in Urdu, the word mausam, weather, itself is masculine. So that is the reason I use the word acha. One more example would be wo ladki achhi hai. That girl is nice, or that girl is good. So you can see that because the word is girl, in Urdu I'm using the word achhi, not acha here. Billi, cat. The next word is billi, cat. मेरे पास पालतू बिल्ली है. I have a pet cat. A lot of people in Pakistan have cats as a pet animal. It's very common because people don't like to have dogs as a pet in Pakistan. So you would see a lot of people having cats instead of dogs. Pasand karna, to like. So the next word is pasand karna, to like. मैं आपको पसंद करता हूँ. I like you. You can use this word not only just for a person, but you can also use it for clothes, fashion, movies, anything that you like. So yeah, it's a good word to know. Pasand karna. Phool, flower. Phool, flower. Usne mujhe phool diye. He gave me flowers. Yeah, it would be good to get some flowers for sure. Taaleem, education. So the next word is taaleem, education. तालीम एक बेहतर ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत अहम है. Education is very important for a better life. यकीन करना, to believe. So the next word is यकीन करना, to believe. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा मेरी आपसे मुलाकात हो गई. I cannot believe I met you. Yeah, it would be awesome to know this word when you're meeting your idol, as in singers or actors. So yeah, keep an eye. ये मेरी खुशी है. It's my pleasure. ये मेरी खुशी है. It's my pleasure. In English, when we say someone, you're welcome, or it's my pleasure. So yeah, it would be good, or I would say it would be kind to say someone, ye meri khushi hai, but I have never heard many people using it, to be very honest. So instead, I would recommend using nahi nahi, koi masla nahi hai, like it's no problem at all, or it was my pleasure. It gives the same kind of meaning. Tasveer, photograph. Tasveer, photograph. मैं आपके साथ एक तस्वीर उतार सकता हूँ. मैं आपके साथ तस्वीर उतार सकती हूँ. Can I take a picture with you? So you would have noticed that I used the word sakta hoon and sakti hoon in the same sentence. As I said, that in Urdu we have a very clear definition of masculine and feminine nouns. So that was the thing I was repeating again for you. So if you're a guy, you would say sakta hoon. But if you're a girl, you would say sakti hoon. But the noun itself, tasweer, that wouldn't be changed. Masjid, mosque. So the next word is masjid, mosque. मेरे गांव में एक masjid है. I have a mosque in my village. In Pakistan, there are many beautiful mosques for you to visit. For example, in Lahore, you can just go and see Badshahi Masjid, the Badshahi Mosque, and it's more than 800 years old. One of the biggest mosques in Pakistan and really, really beautiful. You can see all the Mughal architecture and the designs in that particular one. Then we have another one in Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, that is Faisal Mosque, Faisal Masjid, which is another beautiful masterpiece, and it was a gift from the Saudi government to Pakistan. So if you're there, make sure to check that one out. Rakam, money. So the next word is rakam, money. Aapko ye rakam kahan se mili? Where did you get this money from? I would say to hear this word rakam is very formal, but in our very casual conversations, we are using the word paise, and we translate in English as money. Ye kitne paise hain? How much money is this? So I wouldn't say ye kitni rakam hai. Even though the word rakam means money, but it's quite a heavy word to use in your daily conversation. So I would recommend you to use the word paise instead of rakam. Koi baat nahi, it's okay. Koi baat nahi, it's okay. Probably you will be hearing this word in almost every conversation. If someone says thank you to you and you want to say you are welcome, so you would say koi baat nahi. We don't have the exact translation of you are welcome in Urdu. We just say koi baat nahi. As you remember, like previously I also covered the word it's my pleasure. So that was the one I was explaining you. Nahi nahi, koi baat nahi, koi masla nahi, like it's no problem at all. Khandan, family. Khandan, family. Mera pura khandan aapka paristar hai. My whole family is a fan of you. Really? Okay. I would just like to say one more thing over here, that as the Pakistani community is getting more educated day by day, we have more English words in Urdu. So many people use the word family as in family in Urdu. They don't use the word khandan. For example, मैं अपनी family के साथ जाऊंगा. I will go with my family. So they wouldn't say मैं अपने खानदान के साथ जाऊंगा. The word khandan is exactly right and has the exact translation as in English family. But what I'm saying is that we have now lots of words from English and you can just use those words as it is. Selfie. Selfie. So the other word is selfie. The English translation, selfie. क्या मैं आपके साथ selfie ले सकती हूँ? Can I take a selfie with you? Another word that came from English language and we are just using it as it is. I don't know a word that can be used instead of selfie at all. I hope you liked today's lesson. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. And don't forget to check our website, www.urdupod101.com. Allah Hafiz. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and this is Afra. Welcome to our series Urdu Top Words. So today our lesson would be top 10 questions that you should know. So let's get started. Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? So the first question is, Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Mera naam Afra hai. My name is Afra. Aap kahan se hain? Where are you from? Aap kahan se hain? Where are you from? Main Lahore se hoon. I'm from Lahore. Aapki salgira kab hai? When is your birthday? Aapki salgira kab hai? When is your birthday? Meri salgira November mein hai. My birthday is in November. Aap kahan rehti hain? Where do you live? Aap kahan rehti hain? Where do you live? Main Lahore mein rehti hoon. I live in Lahore. So guys, you're going to notice that in a lot of questions, I'm going to be using some words which I'm going to change according to the principles of masculine and feminine nouns and verbs. And if you want to know more about it, please do visit our website. We have a whole other series explaining Urdu nouns and verbs and how the rules of masculine and feminine apply to it. So please try to stay with me on this one. Aapka phone number kya hai? What's your phone number? So the next question is, Aapka phone number kya hai? What is your phone number? Mera phone number ye hai. My phone number is. So you just have to replace your number with the word ye, and ye literally means this. Aapne Urdu kahan se seekhi? Where did you learn Urdu? Aapne Urdu kahan se seekhi? Where did you learn Urdu? Maine Urdu urdupod101.com se seekhi. I learned Urdu from urdupod101.com, which would be true in your case. Okay. Kya aap Pakistani khana pasand karti hain? Do you like Pakistani food? Kya aap Pakistani khana pasand karti hain? So if you're a guy, you would be using karte hain, but if you're a girl, you'll be using karti hain. Do you like Pakistani food? जी हाँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी खाना पसंद करता हूँ. Yes, I like Pakistani food. क्या आप पाकिस्तान गए हैं? Have you been to Pakistan? क्या आप पाकिस्तान गई हैं? Have you been to Pakistan? जी हाँ, yes. आप पाकिस्तान में कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? Where do you want to go in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? Where do you want to go in Pakistan? मैं लाहौर जाना चाहती हूँ. I want to go to Lahore. आप पाकिस्तान में कितने दिन के लिए हैं? For how many days are you in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में कितने दिन के लिए हैं? For how many days are you in Pakistan? मैं 5 दिनों के लिए पाकिस्तान में हूँ. I am in Pakistan for 5 days. So this is the end of lesson, guys. I hope you like our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and check our website, www.urdupod101.com. See you until next time. Allah Hafiz. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Afra and welcome to our series Urdu Top Words. So our today's lesson is top 10 hardest words to pronounce. And I'm really going to help you with the pronunciation. So let's get started. Tamgha, medal. Tamgha, gha. The sound of gha or the alphabet ghain is always coming from here. So try it from here. Tamgha. उसे एक तमगा मिला. He got a medal. दिलचस्पी, interest. दिलचस्पी, interest. दिलचस्पी, दिलचस्पी, interest. मुझे फिल्मों में दिलचस्पी है. I have an interest in movies. खिड़की, window. खिड़की, window. खिड़की खोलें, open the window. Probably it is quite difficult because I think I've never studied this word in English or in Arabic. So it's kind of hard to get it in the first go. So just keep practicing, and the tip would be to keep rolling your tongue. R, r. So your tongue will be touching your upper teeth, and just practice it and don't be shy. Kid, r, r, r. मूछें, mustache. मूछें, mustache. आपकी मूछें अच्छी लगती हैं. Your mustache looks good. You can see there is the word che, and then you have he, and you're joining the two words che he, and it becomes ch, ch. Mooche. If you have already are finished with the Urdu alphabets, Urdu haruf-e-tahajji, then you will note jeem, che, he, khe. And all of these alphabets, jeem, che, he, khe, we use it with he. For example, for jeem, it will be jeem he, jah, che he, chah, khe he, khah. So I hope it helps. Just practice it. Keep rolling. Khushkismat, lucky. खुश किस्मत, खुश किस्मत, lucky. मैं खुश किस्मत हूँ. I am lucky. छलांग, jump. छलांग. Again in this word, it's ch. छलांग, jump. लड़की ने हवाई जहाज से छलांग लगाई. The girl jumped off the plane. घुटना, knee. घुटना, knee. One more time. Ghutna. So it is gaf and you're adding it with he and it becomes g, g. Ghutna. Mera ghutna zakhmi hai. My knee is injured. Akhrot, walnut. Akhrot. So this word khe, it also comes from your, I would say like throat. So you'll really have to do is like akhrot. मुझे अखरोट पसंद है. I like walnuts. ग़ज़ाइयत, nutrition. ग़ज़ाइयत, nutrition. इस खाने में अच्छी ग़ज़ाइयत है. This food has good nutrition. I would like to point it over here that the alphabet haruf-e-tahajji, zal. So ग़ज़ाइयत, ग़ज़ाइयत. There are two alphabets in Urdu. One is ze and one is zal. And there is a slight difference in how you say it. For example, in this one, you are saying ghazayat. And the one that is ze, that is very, very sharp, very sharp. So this is, I would say, a bit more soft. Tajassus, curiosity. Tajassus, curiosity. उसका तजस्सुस उसकी सेहत को नुकसान पहुंचा रहा है. His curiosity is damaging his health. So this is the end of our lesson. I hope you liked our video. If you did, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to please subscribe down below and check our website www.urdupod101.com. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.
I was reading.
मैं पढ़ रहा था. मैं पढ़ रहा था.
Here you go.
ये लो. ये लो.
I'm tired.
मैं थक गया हूँ. मैं थक गया हूँ.
It's sunny.
धूप है. धूप है.
I forgive you.
मैंने तुम्हें माफ किया. मैंने तुम्हें माफ किया।
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Where is the bathroom?
बाथरूम कहाँ है? बाथरूम कहाँ है?
I want a bottle of water.
मुझे पानी की एक बोतल चाहिए। मुझे पानी की एक बोतल चाहिए।
It takes about 30 minutes by train.
रेलगाड़ी से 30 मिनट लगते हैं। रेलगाड़ी से 30 मिनट लगते हैं।
And you?
और तुम? और तुम?
How old are you?
आपकी उम्र कितनी है? आपकी उम्र कितनी है?
Where are you from?
आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं?
Where do you live?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो? तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
Can you help me?
आप मदद कर सकते हैं? आप मदद कर सकते हैं?
Bye bye.
अलविदा। अलविदा।
Who is it?
कौन है? कौन है?
May I sit here?
मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ। मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ।
That's okay.
ये ठीक है। ये ठीक है।
Thank you very much.
आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। आपका बहुत शुक्रिया।
I have to go.
मुझे जाना है। मुझे जाना है।
I don't know.
मुझे नहीं पता। मुझे नहीं पता।
We'll give you a call.
हम आपको कॉल करेंगे। हम आपको कॉल करेंगे।
Is this your first time with us?
हमारे साथ ये आपकी पहली बार है? हमारे साथ ये आपकी पहली बार है?
Is the water too cold?
पानी बहुत ठंडा है? पानी बहुत ठंडा है?
I'll leave it up to you.
मैं आपके ऊपर छोड़ता हूँ। मैं आपके ऊपर छोड़ता हूँ।
Sign here, please.
बराहे मेहरबानी यहाँ दस्तखत करें। बराहे मेहरबानी यहाँ दस्तखत करें।
I'd like to exchange money.
मुझे रकम तबादला करना है। मुझे रकम तबादला करना है।
I'd like to open an account.
मुझे अकाउंट खोलना है। मुझे अकाउंट खोलना है।
I'd like to make a deposit.
मुझे रकम जमा करनी है। मुझे रकम जमा करनी है।
Could I have a statement, please?
बराहे मेहरबानी मुझे एक स्टेटमेंट चाहिए। बराहे मेहरबानी मुझे एक स्टेटमेंट चाहिए।
Do you have any identification?
आपके पास कोई शनाख्त है? आपके पास कोई शनाख्त है?
Go back.
वापस जाओ। वापस जाओ।
Are there any annual charges with this account?
इस अकाउंट के साथ कोई सालाना चार्जेस नहीं हैं। इस अकाउंट के साथ कोई सालाना चार्जेस नहीं हैं।
Can you come back later?
आप बाद में आ सकते हैं। आप बाद में आ सकते हैं।
Sorry, we're completely booked.
माजरत, हम मुकम्मल तौर पर बुक हैं। माजरत, हम मुकम्मल तौर पर बुक हैं।
Can I have a receipt, please?
मुझे बराहे मेहरबानी रसीद मिल सकती है। मुझे बराहे मेहरबानी रसीद मिल सकती है।
Can I have a bag, please?
मुझे बराहे मेहरबानी बैग मिल सकता है। मुझे बराहे मेहरबानी बैग मिल सकता है।
I'll take one of this.
मैं इसमें से एक ले लेता हूँ। मैं इसमें से एक ले लेता हूँ।
Ready to start?
शुरू करने के लिए तैयार हो। शुरू करने के लिए तैयार हो।
It's already Sunday.
अभी से इतवार है। अभी से इतवार है।
It's midnight.
आधी रात है। आधी रात है।
It's noon.
दोपहर हो गई है। दोपहर हो गई है।
It's 3 o'clock.
3 बजे हैं। 3 बजे हैं।
It ends in 30 minutes.
ये 30 मिनट में ख़त्म होता है। ये 30 मिनट में ख़त्म होता है।
What day is it today?
आज कौन सा दिन है? आज कौन सा दिन है?
Today is Wednesday.
आज बुध है। आज बुध है।
The day after tomorrow is Friday.
परसों जुमा है। परसों जुमा है।
Monday is the worst day of the week.
पीर का रोज़ हफ्ते का बदतरीन दिन है। पीर का रोज़ हफ्ते का बदतरीन दिन है।
We'll arrive 30 minutes early.
हम 30 मिनट पहले पहुंच जाएंगे। हम 30 मिनट पहले पहुंच जाएंगे।
It looks like it will take about 30 more minutes to get there.
ऐसा लगता है कि वहां पहुंचने में 30 मिनट और लगेंगे। ऐसा लगता है कि वहां पहुंचने में 30 मिनट और लगेंगे।
The flight will arrive at 8:45 p.m.
परवाज़ शाम 8:45 बजे पहुंच जाएगी। परवाज़ शाम 8:45 बजे पहुंच जाएगी।
She'll be here by 7 p.m.
वो शाम 7 बजे पहुंच जाएगी। वो शाम 7 बजे पहुंच जाएगी।
Want to speak real Urdu from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at urdupod101.com.
It's 10 p.m.
अभी 10 बजे हैं। अभी 10 बजे हैं।
It's hot.
गर्मी है। गर्मी है।
Thank you.
शुक्रिया। शुक्रिया।
It was yesterday.
कल हुआ था। कल हुआ था।
What about next week?
अगले हफ्ते हो सकता है। अगले हफ्ते हो सकता है।
Goodbye.
अलविदा। अलविदा।
No problem.
कोई मसला नहीं। कोई मसला नहीं।
I really appreciate it.
मैं वाकई इसकी कदरदानी करता हूँ। मैं वाकई इसकी कदरदानी करता हूँ।
Hello.
हेलो। हेलो।
It was last month.
गुज़िश्ता माह। गुज़िश्ता माह।
I'm afraid I can't make it.
मैं नहीं आ सकूँगा। मैं नहीं आ सकूँगा।
Nice to meet you.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई।
Delicious.
मज़ेदार। मज़ेदार।
It's difficult.
ये मुश्किल है। ये मुश्किल है।
Make yourself at home.
अपना ही घर समझें। अपना ही घर समझें।
How have you been?
तुम कैसे हो? तुम कैसे हो?
This is for you.
ये आपके लिए है। ये आपके लिए है।
Don't worry.
फिक्र ना करो। फिक्र ना करो।
Really?
वाकई? वाकई?
Please forgive me.
बराए मेहरबानी मुझे माफ़ कर दो। बराए मेहरबानी मुझे माफ़ कर दो।
I don't like it.
मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है। मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है।
What time is it?
क्या वक्त हुआ है? क्या वक्त हुआ है?
Awesome.
ज़बरदस्त। ज़बरदस्त।
Help.
बचाओ। बचाओ।
What's your phone number?
आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है?
Slower, please.
बराहे मेहरबानी थोड़ा आहिस्ता। बराहे मेहरबानी थोड़ा आहिस्ता।
Once again, please.
बराहे मेहरबानी एक बार फिर। बराहे मेहरबानी एक बार फिर।
Long time no see.
तवील अरसे से मुलाकात नहीं हुई। तवील अरसे से मुलाकात नहीं हुई।
I have no money.
मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं। मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं।
Where are you?
तुम कहाँ हो? तुम कहाँ हो?
I need a doctor.
मुझे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है। मुझे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है।
Call the police.
पुलिस को कॉल की जाए। पुलिस को कॉल की जाए।
Hold on.
रुको। रुको।
My vacation starts in 2 weeks.
मेरी छुट्टी 2 हफ्ते में शुरू हो रही है। मेरी छुट्टी 2 हफ्ते में शुरू हो रही है।
When is it?
ये कब है? ये कब है?
When is your birthday?
आपकी सालगिरह कब है? आपकी सालगिरह कब है?
Where do you work?
आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? आप कहाँ काम करते हैं?
I understand.
मैं समझता हूँ। मैं समझता हूँ।
What did you say?
आपने क्या कहा? आपने क्या कहा?
My mother is well.
मेरी माँ ठीक है। मेरी माँ ठीक है।
Sorry to keep you waiting.
इंतज़ार की माज़रत। इंतज़ार की माज़रत।
How are you?
आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं?
How many people are there in your family?
आपके ख़ानदान में कितने लोग हैं? आपके ख़ानदान में कितने लोग हैं?
Congratulations.
मुबारक हो। मुबारक हो।
Never mind.
कोई बात नहीं। कोई बात नहीं।
Don't mention it.
कोई बात नहीं। कोई बात नहीं।
Do you understand?
आपको समझ आई? आपको समझ आई?
Happy anniversary.
शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो। शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो।
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.